Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back again in another entertaining video. This is a very short video, and this video is to help you the basic steps of walk you through the basic steps of learning language. What I've been doing recently, sometimes when you watch a video that I post on my Facebook page or on my YouTube, that it doesn't have heavy duty kind of content. And the reason behind that is because I'm emphasizing more on the quality of listening that comes to your ears. So, the whole purpose of listening is to help you understand language and be in touch with the beautiful English language on a daily basis. When you watch the video, sometimes you learn some words, sometimes you don't. Sometimes you come across some expressions that are necessary to help you understand the language, and sometimes you do not understand what I mean. Sometimes you hear me quite well, 100%, and sometimes it is really difficult actually to understand what I'm talking about. It's really challenging to serve and satisfy everybody. People are in variable levels, and everyone has his own way and style of learning language, and it does not sometimes match with the kind of approach that I have, or the kind of method, or the kind of selected materials. So we need to understand and be tolerant to the fact that some of the words and some of the expressions and some of the videos that I create in this channel is to help you get your ears trained enough to English. And it does not necessarily mean that there is a whole satisfaction for all the crowd from the kind of content that I'm providing. Sometimes it's exhausting actually to satisfy everybody, but the point to be made here is that if you're a scholar, if you are an educator, if you are an English teacher, and if you want to improve your listening or reading or writing, you will benefit from the videos that I'm presenting here in this channel. I have a few suggestions for you. If you're scholars and you're interested in improving your English, I think a few weeks ago we had an interview with Ali Mana, and we talked about the significance of translation to help you improve your English. I want you to choose a short story and start translating that short story into Arabic in a vlog, or in a journal, or in a notebook, or in your computer. What that can help you with is simply put you on track of improving your skills. Every day, start by translating a chapter from that particular story or novella or novel that you chose. This will help you stretch your skills in language and improve your learnability of vocabulary, and also it will push you a little bit forward when it comes to developing and galvanizing your language skills in general. This is one way of improving your vocabulary and also improving your translation skills. Also, you need sometimes to volunteer doing some work to other people, because that is going to sharpen your skills and clarify your vision of where you want to be, building on who you are right now. Reading and becoming an avid reader is a necessity, and I should not remind you of that anymore, because it should not be quite imposed on you. You need to take it with a grain of salt. Whatever people tell you online that this is the best way or that is the best way, no, it is your way. It is not their way. It's not my way. It is your way of learning. The necessity of language and the necessity of English is really high in the 2021. The upcoming year, it's pretty soon. So you need to equip yourself with enough tools and enough technology to help you learn this language efficiently. Thank you so much for this daily vlog, and looking forward to see you in another one.